Hello, God bless everyone. Sharing with you the daily prophetic word from Father's Heart Ministry. The Father says today, I am hosting you in the glory. This day is the day that illegitimate authority is being dismantled in your life. The opposer and the accuser are being turned back, says the Father, and a new favor from heaven is raining down on the spiritual agriculture of your faith. You are entering into the Amos 9 verse 13 promise, where the plowman overtakes the reaper, and the seeds you sow will produce a harvest before they hit the ground. Don't look back. Don't look back to the things that are behind you, but look to the things that are ahead. I have prepared great and mighty things for that one, for that person who steps out in audacious expectation and anticipation of the greater glory that is opening up, even to you this very day. Enter in with rejoicing. Offer up preemptive thanks, beloved, for you will not be disappointed, and you will not come behind on a single score, says the Father. Thank you for listening.